Did you know that in November 2020, famous blogger Adam Freud reported a blog income of $83,737 in just 1 month? What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to blog online and make money for beginners. If you have not created your blog, I'm going to leave a link below for you to see a video I created about how to create your blog step by step. Welcome to my channel, Ask Hacker Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Let's talk about 5 ways to make money from your blog. The first one on our list is Adsense. Now, if you do a search for Google AdSense, you're going to arrive on this website right from Google. So what it does is it lets Google, when you sign up, to show ads on your website. Okay, so it says you get to earn money from your website. Okay, so they just run ads on your website. The second method is affiliate marketing. If you're wondering what affiliate marketing is, just know it's a simple business model where you get paid commissions when people buy or purchase products and services using your unique link or through you. Okay, so one example of a global affiliate platform, or we call it affiliate network, is a Share Sale. There is also ClickBank, there is Warrior Plus, and of course there's also JV Zoo. All right, so you could just search for these and find them, and you could easily sign up and get started with them. Right, so that's that for affiliate marketing. Next on our list, we have that you could create digital products. All right, so this could be ebooks or courses or programs. By the way, a great platform for you to create your digital products, courses, your programs is Kajabi, right? So Kajabi helps you with an all-in-one platform. You get websites, landing pages, you get to integrate payments, you get analytics, marketing automations, of course, they offer a free trial for you to start with Kajabi. For you could also sell ad space. All right, I'm going to show you how this plays out. So currently I'm on CNN. All right, so this is edition.cnn.com. If you look at this, it says advertisement. All right, so some of these spaces have been used for ads. Okay, so you could sell a space on your website. Look at this too, awesome. So this is also an ad. All right, so you could sell ad spaces on your website or your blog. Last but not the least, you could also sell physical products. All right, so please leave a comment down below. Let me know which of these ways are you going to start using for your blog monetization. Right, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.